Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. This classic example of when a tape has gone bad during recording. So I'm going to stop the capture. Okay, look at this. When it first went in, all of a sudden, everything's running fine, smooth, and then boom. So that's the wedding, and then it just starts to go to crap. Look at that. You can see it start to happen. It gets worse and worse. So the video head has become contaminated, and all this is trash. So this has to be stopped. Video head has to be cleaned. Hopefully there's no mold on it. I did check all that. And let's see if it plays fine in another player. Let's see here. Because the tape could be, no, and it's perfectly clear right there. So these are the things that video transfer companies, individuals that are transferring the videotapes should be checking, that nobody is checking. So 30 minutes, good. 31 minutes, terrible, continue. So the whole thing has to be restarted, which I build into my cost of everything that I do. And this is what companies aren't doing. They just go, there you go, it's done. It went bad, your tape's bad. But no, as you can see right here, it's perfectly fine. And it is, it's a wedding. So, it's unacceptable. This is unacceptable. I stop it, I restart the whole thing. Now, this video tape here, this deck, I'm gonna pull it, I'm gonna take it apart, I'm gonna clean the video heads, and then put it back together. And that's of no fault of anyone's, it's just part of what you do when you're doing quality work. Here is another example. Grandma and Grandpa's 25th anniversary, only that much in. Now, this was a video transfer from old movie film reels that somebody did back in the day, poorly. And then it just starts, and then it just goes to blue screen, and then that's that. Now, it ejected, so something happened right here. Look at this. So now I've got to inspect this tape, because it's important stuff, And that's why I have... and why you should be looking for 5.0 with hundreds of reviews, not 5, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, and a YouTube channel, and social proofing, and a channel showing the premises, and a person who is handling your videotapes with care, attention to detail, and using their brain. So like this one's kind of glitching as well. So I've got to stop that one. This is what every transfer person that you're handing your precious stuff over to needs to be checking, which no one's checking. Because why? Because they're charging cheap prices, and guess what? They've got to hire cheap people. Cheap people means younger, inexperienced, ironically don't even know what a videotape is because they're 21 years old. And then you get companies like this, which I've still got to do this job, which is a nightmare. Customer sent off their tapes. 6 months later, they get the box back. All of their tapes just thrown in there with all these stickers on them, telling them tapes are gone bad, nothing can be done, sorry. And then no refund. One thing if they refunded you, but they don't. And this particular customer fought it with his credit card company. And of course, only valid for 90 days from purchase. It had been 6 months until he got it all back. So SOL, out of luck, and now having to pay to redo it again. Now, with that, they're being told that there's nothing that can be done. And the tapes are playing fine. There are a few of them that have mold on them. But these kids that they're hiring are incentivized to put stickers on things and move on because they've got quotas for the day to transfer 100 videotapes with a gun to their head, literally going, you better transfer this or else. so that if it doesn't play within a few seconds, ejecting it, slap a sticker, move on. That counts as one on their quota for the day. So everyone out there, buyer beware. You must see 5.0 on Google. You must see a YouTube channel. Even then. So anyway, all the best to you out there. And if you would like to get a quote, gotmemories.com. If you're looking for cheap, bargain basement, coupon clip-in pricing, that's not me. I'm serious about what I do. I do quality work and I charge accordingly. So you got one copy of this stuff, do it right the first time. If you are in Phoenix, I am by appointment for drop-offs. And that's everything right there. Cheers, guys. Bye.